Hello guys and welcome back, and this is Morris from the best online tutorials here, and in today's video I'll show you how to fix the error code on your Bosch washing machine. Alright guys, so the error code we're going to be focusing on for today's video is the E3 error code. So E3 means the washer thinks that the door isn't closed or locked, and because of that the cycle wouldn't actually start, or it even stops immediately. So this is a safety lockout to avoid running with an open door, as that would damage the washer itself and the passers nearby or people who are standing close to it. All right, so what are the common causes of this issue? We have the door not fully closed or something blocking it. When you're pushing in your clothes into the washer and some of them slip out and they block the closure for the door. We also have debris or dirt underneath the seal here. When we have debris or dirt in this area, it would give off that issue if it can't close because of the debris or dirt, as well as a faulty door. So if the door itself is faulty, you could have this issue. So a faulty door or the interlock assembly, that's this interlock assembly for the door, if it's faulty, you would have issues as well. And rarely wiring issues to the lock or control board. So it could be a control board glitch, and if it is a control board glitch, all you need to do is just simply unplug your washer from electricity, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, plug it back in, and the E3 error should be gone. Now if that doesn't work, you could also try opening and firmly closing the door several times to ensure nothing is caught in the seal of the washing machine, as well as cleaning around this. So just take a warm towel or any kind of towel and clean out the dirt that line the seal of the washer. So clean out the dirt and you should have a proper washing machine. And then you could also, if the E3 still persists, the door lock, that's the interlock, is likely faulty. So just unplug the machine and access the lock. Usually it's at the front of the panel, and then check your manual and inspect it for damage or any loose wiring, and then you should report it to a technician who would come and have a look at it from Bosch. All right guys, so that's how you can go about fixing this issue. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.